The Andromeda Galaxy is indeed a fascinating celestial object. Here are some interesting facts about the Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is a spiral galaxy located approximately 2.537 million light-years away from Earth. It is the closest major galaxy to the Milky Way. With a diameter of about 220,000 light-years, the Andromeda Galaxy is larger than our own Milky Way galaxy, making it the largest galaxy in the local group, which includes several other smaller galaxies. The Andromeda Galaxy is visible to the naked eye under dark skies, appearing as a hazy patch of light in the constellation of Andromeda. It has been observed by astronomers for centuries and was first described by the Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi in the 10th century. The Andromeda Galaxy is approaching the Milky Way at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second. It is predicted that the two galaxies will collide in the distant future, merging to form a giant elliptical galaxy. The galaxy is home to billions of stars, and its central bulge contains a supermassive black hole with a mass equivalent to about 140 million suns. Andromeda has several satellite galaxies orbiting around it, including M32 and M110, which are easily visible through telescopes. In 2012, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope discovered a new type of star cluster in the Andromeda Galaxy called extended clusters, which are larger and brighter than typical globular clusters found in the Milky Way. The Andromeda Galaxy has been extensively studied by astronomers across various wavelengths, including radio, infrared, and X-ray, revealing insights into its structure, stellar populations, and dynamics. Due to its proximity and large size, the Andromeda Galaxy has been a subject of interest for astronomers studying galactic evolution, cosmic distances, and the nature of spiral galaxies. In 2019, the European Space Agency launched the Gaia mission, which aims to create a detailed 3D map of the Andromeda Galaxy, providing valuable data about its stellar populations and dynamics. These facts give a glimpse into the intriguing nature of the Andromeda Galaxy, a cosmic neighbor that continues to captivate scientists and stargazers alike. I hope you enjoyed and learned from the session. For more video, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you for watching.